everybody, I hope you all had a wonderful New Year's, and I wasn't going to come on camera today and do an intro, but I want to share with you the sweet thing that happened to us on New Year's Eve night. You know, with my husband being a police officer, he has to work every New Year's and hold down the fort. My daughter and her family and I went out to eat. Well, we went to one of those hibachi restaurants where like 8 people sit at the table and the chef does all the knives and does all the cooking in front of you. At the end of the meal, we had not even spoken to the 2 gentlemen that were at the end of the table. He picked up the bill for the entire table. And our bill alone was $100. And he had lobster and steak and stuff, so I know their bill had to have been as much as ours. But I just want to share with you what I experienced in coming into the new year and how sweet that was. And it just makes me want to pay it forward the next opportunity I'm at the drive-through line or whatever the case may be, that just to do something for somebody like that. It just not only makes that person feel good, but it makes the recipient feel good as well. I wanted to share with y'all today a little winter door decoration. I have 3 back doors, and then every season or holiday, usually one of the doors needs updating or something remade. I decided to walk around Dollar Tree a couple days ago. Was inspired by a few things I found, and so I'm going to go in the kitchen and show you the $3 I spent, and we're going to create a little Starburst wintry door decoration. And I picked up one of these Dollar Tree mirrors. It already has the hanger on top. I'm going to push the mirror out of the little plastic frame, and I'll use that frame for some other wreath form or something, but all it is a piece of round glass glued on a piece of a cardboard. And then I picked up a pack of this plastic silverware. I'm going to pick it up here. As you can see, the handles have a little design to it. Now, you could certainly use popsicle sticks and paint them blue, but I thought this was already the done deal. And I'm just going to take some snips and cut off all the tops and just use the 48 handles to create my round Starburst. And I picked up a bag of these flat glass marbles. They kind of look icy to me, and I thought that would kind of play into the wintry part as well. Now, I've decided I'm going to embellish my mirror. I just happen to have the resource to cut whatever I want, and I just cut out the words winter blessings, and I'm just going to stick that on the mirror. You can also look for window cling. There's those kind of things are in all the dollar stores, or just adhesive letters and spell out anything you want to, like let it snow or something like that. And also, just as an embellishment, I had some of these little sparkly things on wire, and I may cut those out. I may use those, may not, just depends on how sparkly it looks when I get it done. Sometimes less is more. Show you a little trick here. If you do buy the Dollar Tree silverware, you'll notice that the handle has a little vertical line right there. I put my thumb on each side of that line, and it just snaps clean like you had cut it. So I'm going to do that with all the silverware to get all my handles. Okay, I've got all the silverware snapped in half. That was even quicker than I anticipated. And what I did notice is that the spoon and the fork and the knife, the handles look very much alike, but there are different sizes. So this is what your mirror looks like after you punch the little frame out. So it just works perfect. It gives you this little cardboard ledge to put your silverware handles. I'm going to put my knife handles first. And I'm just going to go up, down, left, and right. This next picture you're going to see is just the knife handles. I quickly discovered that 1 pack of silverware is not going to be enough. So luckily, I did have 12 extra forks on hand that I snapped in half. And they're not the same color, but as long as they're white, they'll blend in fine with the winter theme I'm going with. So I'm going to hot glue 1 white fork handle in between each knife handle, and then that way the leftover spaces will be filled in with the fork and spoon handles. Okay, I have all my handles glued on there now and filled in all the spaces, and I want you to look, I have 12 handles left over. Apparently I did calculate correctly the first time. 1 package of silverware will work, but you know, I really like how I put a few white ones in around. It just kind of ties into the blue and white color scheme. So just keep that in mind. Now I just need to hot glue my flat marbles right here where the handles meet the mirror, finish it off and put my words on there, and I'll be ready to hang it up and share with you my finished project. All right, friends, we are here at my garage door, and this is where I think this little Starburst is going to live for the next month or so. But I'm going to move in a little closer, and I think once I got the little glass beads on there, and they're so oversized, I don't really think it needs anything else. And I really think this would be adorable done with popsicle sticks if you didn't want the plastic silverware handles. I'm just doing another project with popsicle sticks in a few days, and I wanted to try something different. It's very unexpected. Someone may notice that it is probably silverware handles, but that just makes it unique and very resourceful if you already had the plastic silverware. I hope it inspires you in some way, and hopefully this year you'll be even more crafty. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.